Hey guys, what's up? It's Julie with Mint Personal Chef, and today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetable frittata using a cast iron skillet.
Use any mixed vegetables you like. I'm using shallots, broccoli, mixed bell peppers, and mixed cheese, and a little Romano for the top. Start by heating up some oil in your pan, and you'll saute the bell peppers and the shallots, and season with salt and pepper to taste. I love using bell peppers, they're so beautiful. Alright, next crack open your eggs. I'm using 1 dozen of eggs. You can also do all egg whites if you'd like. I prefer using the yolk, just makes it a little bit more tasty. And then season with salt and pepper, and I'm gonna throw in about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of milk. You could use water instead and just give that a really good whisk. Throw in the cheese. Alright, when the peppers and shallots are looking good, you'll throw in the final vegetables. The broccoli doesn't take that long to cook, so it'll finish cooking in the oven. If you're using spinach, you can throw it in at this point. And then just put that egg mixture right on top and evenly spread it out. And then top with a little bit more Romano. You don't have to be shy with the cheese. Alright, pop that in the oven.
While you're waiting, pour yourself a mimosa. Cheers.
Man, that looks so good. And cut yourself a slice right away. It's best right out of the oven, but this will last in the fridge up to a week. So you'll have plenty of breakfasts and snacks during the week, or you can enjoy it right now with a group of your friends. Buon appetito!